In this video, I will show you how to create a table with Miro AI in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Go to the leftmost part of your screen and pop out the menu list. At the very top, you will find the Create with AI button. Click on that. Scroll down and select Table, which is located at the bottom part of the pop-up. After selecting it, a prompt box will appear. Here you can describe the type of table you want to create. For example, you can specify the number of columns, rows, or the kind of data you want to include. Once you've finished typing your description, click on Send, and Miro AI will automatically generate a table for you based on your prompt. You can then adjust, resize, or edit the table to better fit your board and project needs. And that's how to create a table with Miro AI in Miro.